Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we delve into the fabulous fashion choices of the ever-stunning Trisha Krishnan. Trisha, the renowned Indian actress and style icon, has always impressed us with her impeccable taste in fashion. From red carpet events to casual outings, she never fails to turn heads with her unique and elegant style. So, let's dive into Trisha's fashion journey. The actress' fashion choices aren't limited to formal events. She effortlessly exudes charm and style in her casual outings as well. One of her go-to looks is a pair of well-fitted jeans, a chic blouse, and a tailored blazer. She completes the ensemble with a statement handbag and minimal accessories, giving off a sophisticated yet relaxed vibe. Trisha chose to wear a black dress from AMPM Fashions. The dress is made of a soft fabric and features a combination of mustard and black. Upon closer inspection, the upper half of the dress showcases pigeon motifs in mustard, while the lower half is solid black. The dress has full sleeves and comes with a black belt. She completed her look with a pair of diamond earrings and opted for minimal accessories. Her overall appearance was complemented by blushed cheeks, kohl-rimmed eyes, a pulled-back ponytail, and muted lips. She appeared lovely. The actress isn't afraid to step out of her comfort zone and experiment with daring fashion choices. She has been spotted in edgy outfits that push the boundaries of conventional style. One example is her ensemble at a Fashion Week event, where she wore a contemporary fusion outfit combining a traditional blouse with a modern, asymmetrical skirt. Her confidence and flair for taking risks truly make her a fashion trailblazer. She opted for a stunning gold and whitish Banarasi silk sari from the brand Dakshinam Saris. This exquisite sari blends gold and white hues harmoniously, making it a unique shade in the realm of Banarasi silk. The sari features a temple border with solid gold, perfectly complemented by a matching elbow-length sleeve blouse. The blouse is elegantly devoid of prints and embellishments, allowing the sari to take center stage. To enhance her ensemble, Trisha adorned herself with a statement choker, a pair of earrings, and a bangle from GRT Jewelers. Completing her look were blushed cheeks, kohl-rimmed eyes, a neatly styled hair bun, and a red bindi, which added a touch of allure. She looked absolutely lovely. The actress perfectly blends tradition and contemporary fashion in her ethnic ensembles. Her love for saris is evident, and she often opts for beautifully crafted designs that showcase her graceful persona. One such noteworthy look was her appearance in a Kanjivaram silk sari at a cultural event. The richly woven fabric, intricate motifs, and exquisite jewelry created a regal and timeless ensemble. She recently graced the promotions of her latest movie adorned in a stunning peach silk sari crafted by Paprika. The sari boasted a captivating gold border and intricate gold butter spread throughout, exuding an aura of elegance and sophistication. To complement the sari flawlessly, Trisha selected a sleeveless blouse in a matching shade that enhanced the sari's color and design. For her accessories, she opted for statement Kunam jhumkas from Kishan Das & Company. Jewelry, adding a touch of traditional charm that elevated the overall ensemble. Trisha's makeup featured pink lips, harmonizing beautifully with the peach hue of the sari. Her hair was styled in a middle-parted bun adorned with delicate flowers, imparting a refreshing and feminine touch to the look. Overall, Trisha Krishnan's appearance at the promotions was truly mesmerizing. Her impeccable choice of outfit, makeup, and accessories effortlessly showcased her style and elegance, making her an enchanting vision in peach. Trisha is a firm believer in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and her fashion choices extend to her fitness wardrobe as well. Whether it's hitting the gym or going for a jog, she opts for stylish activewear that combines comfort and functionality. From vibrant leggings to trendy sports bras, she effortlessly showcases her fashion-forward approach even during her fitness routines. The actress knows that the right accessories can elevate any outfit. She has a knack for selecting statement pieces that effortlessly enhance her looks. One of her favorite accessories is a bold pair of sunglasses. Whether it's oversized frames or trendy cat eye shades, she knows how to rock them with confidence, adding a touch of glamour to her overall ensemble. The actress exuded beauty in a stunning black pre-draped sari sourced from Jade by Monica and Karishma. The sari boasted micro-pleating details that adorned its entire body, adding a touch of texture and allure. Along its borders, delicate ruffles gracefully swayed, accentuated by embellished stones that added sparkle. The scalloped hemline showcased intricate hand embroidery adorned with exquisite stones, elevating its overall appeal. The actress elegantly paired the sari with a belt, accentuating her waist, and a sleeveless sequined blouse, enhancing the glamour of the ensemble. Her choice of jewelry was minimal but impactful, featuring an emerald-studded diamond choker, a pair of diamond studs, and a bangle from Kishan Das. To complete her look, Trisha opted for a low-tied ponytail, kohl-rimmed eyes that accentuated her gaze, a bindi that added a traditional touch, and nude lips that enhanced her natural beauty. Trisha's fashion choices have not only inspired her fans but have also caught the attention of renowned designers. She has collaborated with top fashion brands to create exclusive collections that reflect her personal style. One such collaboration was her capsule collection of ethnic wear, where she showcased her love for traditional fabrics, intricate details, and modern silhouettes, giving her fans a chance to embrace her fashion sensibilities. The actress radiated sheer elegance in a vibrant crimson red sari designed by Dia Rajveer. The sari showcased a layered ruffle design in crimson red, accompanied by a diamond-embroidered blouse and an intricately embroidered belt that accentuated her waistline gracefully. Trisha's choice of diamond jewelry from Kishan & Company Jewelry beautifully complemented the sari's embroidery, adding a touch of sparkle to her ensemble. Her soft low bun, adorned with delicate roses, exuded a sense of sophistication and grace. Adding a traditional touch to her modern attire, she carried a matching portly bag, completing her look effortlessly. The overall result was a harmonious blend of grace and chic, solidifying Trisha as a style icon within the South Indian film industry. Known for her impeccable fashion sense, Trisha proves that even in a traditional garment like a sari, one can embrace fashion and trends. In conclusion, the actress' red sari look by Dia Rajveer during the promotions serves as a splendid inspiration for those seeking to exude elegance and style in traditional attire. The actress exuded sheer enchantment as she adorned a mesmerizing black sequin-embellished sari, flawlessly matched with a sleeveless blouse. Trisha's ensemble reached new heights with the addition of a statement diamond and emerald necklace and earrings set, accompanied by a delicate gold bangle from Kishan & Company Jewelry. These exquisite pieces of jewelry harmonized flawlessly with Trisha's attire, injecting a captivating allure and a touch of sophistication. The intricate design of the necklace and earrings effortlessly mirrored the sari's detailing, while the gold bangle introduced an element of timeless elegance. The actress' makeup showcased sheer artistry, featuring captivating smoky eyes and bold red lips that infused a vibrant burst of color into her monochromatic ensemble. Her hair cascaded in loose curls, granting her a natural and effortlessly glamorous look. Trisha's appearance at the pre-release event in Hyderabad once again showcased her impeccable fashion sense and her ability to grace any look with grace and elegance. Her choice of jewelry and accessories has ignited curiosity among fashion enthusiasts and jewelry aficionados alike. The actress graced the event in an exquisite yellow sari designed by House of Nita Lulla and looked absolutely stunning. The sari boasted an all-over arrangement of tone-on-tone sequins, creating a mesmerizing effect. Adding to its allure, the sari featured ivory feather florets scattered across its body, enhancing its visual appeal. The border of the sari was adorned with delicate pearl detailing, adding a touch of elegance. She paired the sari with a sleeveless blouse embellished with pearls, perfectly complementing the intricate work on the sari. She accessorized the intricately designed sari with a pair of pearl-studded earrings and a diamond bracelet from Kishan Jewelry, adding a touch of sophistication to her overall look. Her loose hair, contoured cheeks, kohl-rimmed eyes, and nude lips, accompanied by a bindi, completed the ensemble with a perfect balance of grace and beauty. Trisha Krishnan has redefined power dressing with her stylish yet commanding outfits. She knows how to make a strong impression in corporate settings with her tailored pantsuits and structured blazers. She adds a feminine touch by opting for vibrant colors or subtle prints, ensuring that she stands out while exuding confidence and professionalism. Trisha's fashion choices are not limited to her outfits alone. Her hair and makeup play a vital role in completing her stunning looks. She often opts for natural and radiant makeup, accentuating her features with a soft, glowing complexion, well-defined eyes, and a subtle lip color. When it comes to her hair, she effortlessly experiments with various styles, whether it's elegant updos, cascading curls, or sleek straight locks, enhancing her overall look. The actress' fashion choices go beyond mere style statements. She is actively involved in various philanthropic endeavors, using fashion as a means to make a positive impact. She has collaborated with charitable organizations and designers to create collections that support causes close to her heart. From eco-friendly fashion to empowering artisan communities, Trisha's fashion choices reflect her commitment to creating a better world. The actress' impeccable fashion sense has earned her the status of a true fashion icon. Her looks are often featured in fashion magazines and serve as inspiration for countless fashion enthusiasts. Designers eagerly seek her as their muse, and her red carpet appearances become highly anticipated events. Trisha's ability to set trends and redefine fashion norms has established her as a trailblazer in the industry. The actress exuded absolute beauty in a mesmerizing royal blue embroidered anarkali suit. She accessorized the ensemble with exquisite kundan jhumkas from Kishan & Company Jewelry, adding a touch of glamour that perfectly complemented her overall look. Her bright pink lips injected a vibrant burst of color, while the updo adorned with gajra bestowed a traditional charm upon her hairstyle. Trisha's impeccable fashion sense once again shone through, as the combination of royal blue and intricate gold embroidery on the anarkali suit crafted a regal and elegant appearance. Her makeup was flawlessly executed, with the bright pink lips serving as a striking focal point. The updo hairstyle, adorned with gajra, added a traditional flair that harmonized beautifully with the overall ensemble, rendering it suitable for any occasion. She captivated everyone with her elegant and mesmerizing appearance, donning an ivory embroidered sari coupled with a matching halter blouse, skillfully designed by Rohit Bal. The sari showcased intricate embroidery in gold and silver thread, bestowing upon it a majestic and regal aura. The halter blouse harmonized flawlessly with the sari, infusing a contemporary touch into the traditional attire. Trisha accessorized her ensemble with statement earrings from Kishan Das & Co., adding an extra dose of allure. Her makeup was flawlessly executed, featuring a brown lip shade and dewy skin, while her hair cascaded in loose curls, imparting a touch of glamour to her overall look. Trisha's impeccable sense of style and grace effortlessly made her the center of attention at the event, epitomizing a true fashion diva. Renowned for her fashion sense and style, the actress never fails to impress with her sartorial choices. Her recent appearance in Mumbai was no exception, as she exemplified her ability to effortlessly exude elegance and grace. The ivory embroidered sari paired with the halter blouse set a trend that is bound to inspire future fashion combinations. The actress donned an exquisite wine ombre sari crafted by Sawan Gandhi, a prized addition from his latest collection. The sari boasted a mesmerizing ombre effect, transitioning gracefully from solid black to a rich wine hue with elegant shades of grey in between. The border of the sari was adorned with shimmering sequins arranged in captivating triangular patterns against a black backdrop. Complementing the sari flawlessly, she wore a sleeveless sequined blouse in black. She chose not to wear a neckpiece but instead adorned her ears with a pair of pearl-studded earrings from Kishan Das, adding a touch of timeless elegance to her ensemble. A sleek watch adorned her wrist as a subtle yet refined accessory. Completing her look, Trisha showcased blushed cheeks, alluring kohl-rimmed eyes, a graceful bindi, straight hair that cascaded effortlessly, and a nude lip shade that accentuated her natural beauty. The actress mesmerized in a captivating cream-colored floor-length anarkali, beautifully paired with a mirror-embellished kalamkari dupatta skillfully designed by Archana Jaju. The intricate embroidery work on the dupatta bestowed an exquisite touch of elegance to her ensemble. Enhancing her look further, Trisha adorned a stunning pearl choker with a polki pendant, accompanied by polki jhumkas from Kishan Das & Company jewelry. The jewelry harmonized flawlessly with her outfit, infusing a glamorous allure into her overall appearance. Her neutral makeup and sleek low ponytail hairstyle added the perfect finishing touches to her ensemble. Renowned for her impeccable fashion sense, she has consistently captured attention with her exceptional style choices. This outfit exemplifies her love for traditional Indian attire with a modern twist. The incorporation of mirror work and intricate embroidery on the dupatta truly makes the ensemble stand out, elevating its elegance. Overall, the actress looked absolutely breathtaking in this traditional attire, and her choice of jewelry and makeup enhanced her overall appeal. Her fashion sense and style continue to inspire many, as she once again sets a trend with her latest ensemble. The actress looked radiant in a stunning yellow anarkali designed by Jayanti Reddy. The anarkali showcased an enchanting asymmetric hemline with a high-low silhouette, exuding a sense of modernity. The flared three-quarters sleeves added a graceful touch to the ensemble. The body of the anarkali was adorned with intricate silver zadozi work, elevating its allure. It was elegantly paired with pencil-fit pants in a plain fabric, creating a harmonious balance. Trisha's choice of jewelry included a beautiful pair of earrings from Kishan Das jewelry, adding a touch of sparkle to her look. The addition of gold heels further enhanced the overall charm of her attire. With loose hair cascading around her shoulders, kohl-rimmed eyes that accentuated her gaze, a delicate bindi, and nude lips that exuded subtle elegance, Trisha's look was completed with finesse. The actress looked enchanting in a mesmerizing blue embroidered sari crafted by Geetika Kanumili. The sari showcased intricate embroidery work that added an exquisite touch to her attire. She accessorized her look with a dazzling diamond choker and earrings from Kishan Das & Company jewelry, enhancing her overall elegance. Her straight hair perfectly complemented the ensemble, completing her stunning appearance. Trisha Krishnan's fashion choices have not only influenced her fans but have also made an impact on the broader fashion community. She has a strong presence on social media, where she shares her outfits, style tips, and fashion inspirations. Her posts often go viral, and fashion enthusiasts eagerly await her next fashion statement. Trisha's ability to connect with her followers and inspire them to embrace their personal style is truly commendable. The actress' fashion influence extends beyond national borders. She has collaborated with international fashion brands and designers, showcasing her global appeal. From walking the ramps of prestigious fashion weeks to being the face of renowned fashion campaigns, Trisha's fashion choices have transcended boundaries and established her as a force to be reckoned with on the international fashion stage. Trisha's fashion influence has reached new heights with her collaboration with renowned fashion designers. She has partnered with top designers to create exclusive collections that reflect her personal style and cater to the diverse fashion preferences of her fans. These collaborations have not only showcased Trisha's fashion sensibilities but have also provided her followers with an opportunity to embrace her iconic looks. The actress made a captivating style statement by opting for a peach anarkali set that left us impressed. The anarkali ensemble featured exquisite Zadozi and teal work adorning its round neckline and elbow-length sleeves, exuding a regal charm. The undershirt, in contrast, showcased a plain and elegant design, while Trisha accentuated her waist with an embroidered belt. Although the voluminous anarkali was devoid of a dupatta, she opted for extra-length churidars, adding a touch of grace to her ensemble. Complementing her attire, she adorned a pair of pearl-studded earrings and a watch from Kishan Das Jewelry, elevating her overall look. The attention-grabbing gold wedges she wore added a stylish flair to her ensemble. She completed her look with a wavy hairdo that exuded effortless beauty, alluring kohl-rimmed eyes, and subtle nude lips. Trisha's fashion choices have inspired countless individuals to experiment with their own style. Her ability to effortlessly combine different elements, such as traditional and contemporary fashion, has encouraged others to embrace their unique fashion preferences and break free from conventional norms. Trisha's impeccable taste and bold fashion choices serve as a constant source of inspiration for fashion enthusiasts around the world. The actress goes beyond being a style icon, she is also deeply committed to using fashion as a means of giving back. Through her philanthropic efforts, she has collaborated with charitable organizations and launched initiatives that support underprivileged communities. From organizing fashion fundraisers to promoting sustainable fashion practices, Trisha's dedication to making a positive impact through fashion sets her apart as a true humanitarian. The actress' fashion choices empower individuals to express themselves authentically and embrace their own unique style. She promotes the idea that fashion is not just about following trends but rather a way to showcase one's personality and individuality. Trisha's confidence in embracing diverse fashion choices has created a space for self-expression, inspiring others to fearlessly embrace their own fashion journey. She captivated everyone at the event with her mesmerizing look in a pink silk sari from Rebai Ritukuma. The sari showcased intricate hand embroidery, featuring exquisite butters in gold and silver stones, leaving us completely smitten. The border of the sari displayed stunning floral vine motifs adorned with sequins and stones, adding a touch of elegance to the ensemble. The sari perfectly complemented a bejeweled collar full-sleeved blouse with embellished cuffs, creating a harmonious and enchanting combination. To enhance her look, she adorned a pair of emerald-studded earrings, a mangtika, and a diamond bangle from Kishan Das Jewelry, showcasing her impeccable taste in jewelry. A low-tied ponytail hairstyle, complemented by winged eyeliner, a bindi, blush cheeks, and glossy pink lips, worked their magic to complete her stunning appearance. The actress' fashion evolution has been a captivating journey to witness. From her early days in the industry to her current status as a fashion icon, she has constantly pushed the boundaries and redefined her style. She has seamlessly transitioned from traditional and elegant looks to contemporary and edgy ensembles, showcasing her versatility and adaptability to changing fashion trends. The actress is not only a fashion icon but also a passionate advocate for sustainable fashion. She actively promotes ethical and eco-friendly fashion choices, emphasizing the importance of conscious consumption and supporting brands that prioritize sustainability. Trisha's commitment to environmental responsibility has made her an influential figure in the movement towards a more sustainable and ethical fashion industry. She left us mesmerized in an elegant ivory sari designed by Sawan Gandhi, capturing our undivided attention. The sari exuded its timeless beauty through exquisite chikankari work, which adorned its fabric with delicate craftsmanship. The sari further enchanted with intricate mirror detailing in shimmering silver, adding a touch of glamour. A matching strappy sleeved blouse perfectly complemented the tasseled sari, completing the ensemble with grace. Opting for a minimalist approach, she decided to forgo a neckpiece, allowing the sari to take center stage. Instead, she adorned herself with a pair of dazzling diamond earrings, accompanied by a ruby-studded bangle and ring from Kishan Das Jewellers, elevating her allure. With loose straight hair cascading down, she accentuated her beauty with a bindi, kohl-rimmed eyes, blushed cheeks, and stunning red lips, exuding an enchanting aura. The actress' fashion choices inspire not only her contemporaries but also individuals of all ages. Her timeless elegance and ability to adapt to different styles have made her a role model for women across generations. From young fashion enthusiasts to mature fashionistas, Trisha's fashion journey teaches us that style knows no age and that confidence and self-expression are key in embracing our unique fashion choices. The actress' fashion choices have undoubtedly captivated our hearts. Her ability to adapt to various styles and occasions while staying true to her unique personality is truly commendable. Whether she's gracing the red carpet or enjoying her downtime, Trisha continues to inspire us with her fashion-forward mindset. We hope you enjoyed this journey through her style evolution. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.